We hear all the time, why don't you just bring back shop? Teach that to kids. And in reality, we did, but we've upgraded it. No longer does the traditional shop class look the way that it did. It has evolved, aligned with industry needs and standards. Students no longer just learn how to use tools. They learn how the profession actually works. The goal of modern CTE is not nostalgia for the past. It's relevance, so that we are making sure that our pathways align with the current labor market and the opportunities of tomorrow.
I've always had a desire to go into healthcare. And when I found out about the FRC, which is like an opportunity to get those things before you're out of high school, I just decided that that was something that I wanted to do. I'll be graduating with 2 different certifications straight out of high school, which is a great way to kickstart a career.
Many of us won't go to college, but want to go to business. Some of the fellas really opened their eyes at the shops we saw.
To me, one of the biggest changes with career and technical education is the word or. When I was growing up or going through school, it seemed like students were either preparing to go to college or they would take CTE classes. Now, I'd say that or has been replaced with and. Students take CTE classes that have the absolute intention of going to college, and they have the opportunity to take career and tech credentials and those types of things as well. So that really through career and tech ed, there's 2 on-ramps to students' futures that they can choose to take.
At the moment, I'm thinking of aerospace engineering. I'm still thinking about it, but I would say I want to use programming with one of the careers I might choose. At first, it was just a spark of interest and curiosity, and then it led to a passion, which ended up making me very active into programming. And once I got started, I couldn't stop. So at the moment, it's more of continuing that curiosity and seeing how far I could go into it and building it up to a skill, and possibly even a career, or using it as a tool for a career.
What we have developed in Wichita Public Schools is a model that we call the FRCs, or FutureReady Centers. We currently have 3. We have a FutureReady Center for manufacturing, we have a FutureReady Center for healthcare, and just this year we started a FutureReady Center for IT.
I came in totally blind. The most I could do was probably fix the Wi-Fi. That was about it. But just learning about it is what I found really interesting, of learning the systems of PCs or just laptops or any type of device. It really showed me what I was wanting to dive into, as a career in total. I didn't know what I wanted after leaving high school, and that really showed me what I wanted to do.
I wasn't so sure that I liked that kind of work, but some of the other fellows were very much interested in it.
To me, career in tech ed has changed so much that I truly see it as a phenomenal opportunity for all students.